This is the last video, promise. I will try and do my best to talk less and smile more. In the Knewton site, when you're there and you're doing some problems, I've clicked on the mean value theorem for integrals. Your two choices are, I'm going to get rid of my face here. The two choices are that you can either just start and, yep, get going, or you can click on view related instruction. So I'm going to click on start. I'm going to say, I take that back. I'm going to click on view related instruction. So I'm going to go to this one, and you'll see that there's some text. So I can write these formulas down. I can look at an example. I can see what this unit is about. And once I've done that, I can continue on to some problems. And it'll give me some problems. It still shows me the text, so I can go back. I can look at that as I'm doing this problem. I can look at the example, etc. This one is not a multiple choice. You actually have to fill in the blank and do the problem. If you went straight to practice, I went right back to where I started. Let's give an answer. I think I'm probably going to be wrong here because I'm just making this up. So it gives me the answer, and I can continue on from there. I'm going to try and get to one. Here we go. So here's a problem. If I had just gone straight into the start, I didn't look at the instruction first, I just clicked on start, and I look at the problem and say, you know what? I don't know how to do this. I thought I knew how to do these problems. That's why I didn't look at the instruction. I really don't. You can click where it says more instruction. So I can click where it says more instruction, and I can view instruction. Remember, when you do that, you're not adding to your, it's not considering that you got it wrong. So it's not adding more problems to you. And then it'll give you that instruction for that problem. Another thing that I'll mention is if you go in and you click on the instruction, sometimes it's text, like that last one, sometimes it's video. And so you can click on the video and see that. I've also found that it seems to kind of go back and forth. I clicked on this third one right away, the view related instruction, and it was text. It's changed now to a video. So I haven't experimented with this too much, but it appears that when you click on it the first time, view related instruction, it gives you the text, just like a textbook. And if you go back and you view it a second time, it gives you a video. So if you prefer the videos, you could try that. If you like them both, great. But those are your options for getting that instruction, is right away say, I have no idea what the mean value theorem is for integrals. I'm going to click on view instruction, I'm going to read it, I'm going to do some problems. If you're looking at something and you say, I remember antiderivatives from Calc 1, because there's a little bit of overlap, I just want to start. Then you can start in on those questions, assuming that the internet works and all that fun stuff. You can just start in on those problems, and here we go. And if you do decide, you know what, never mind, I don't remember what to do with sine and antiderivatives, click on more instruction. And you can see the instruction then and go from there. So that's how you view the instruction, that's how you access the problems, and that's what these practice tests mean. If you have questions about how to access the material, what's being graded, how is that working, please email me right away. I want you to start off knowing what you're doing, or knowing how the class is set up, since I'm not there physically as an instructor. And again, those practice tests are there as a way for you to know which assignment, which lessons, what material is on the first test, second test, etc. And also for you to have a chance to practice and see how well you understand the material or what you need to review. So again, work through the material, pace yourself, start right away, don't wait. Because there are a lot of assignments. I think there's like 54 assignments, and there's 9 tests. It's a big class. There's a lot of material. And email me, please, as soon as you have a problem. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can, hopefully within the first 24 hours, hopefully within the first couple hours, first maybe 5 or 6 hours. So email me with your questions. I'll either get back to you as in a written form, or I'll make a video of an explanation. Okay, so again, email. Please ask questions, ask for help, don't wait, and good luck.